Welcome to Indian Box. Walk the path of heritage. Kumaoni beaded footwear embodies the rich cultural heritage of India's Kumaon region. Each handcrafted pair showcases intricate beadwork, reflecting centuries-old traditions and artistic precision. Local artisans meticulously create these pieces using techniques passed down through generations, preserving a legacy of craftsmanship. Blending tradition with contemporary appeal, Kumaoni footwear is gaining global admiration, celebrated for its cultural depth and timeless artistry. At Indian Box, we invite you to step into stories woven in every bead and sole. Kumaoni beaded footwear embodies rich cultural heritage, reflecting the region's traditions. Artisans employ meticulous techniques, honed over generations, to create these intricate designs. Their modern appeal lies in the unique blend of tradition and contemporary style, capturing global attention and appreciation for their cultural significance and craftsmanship. Kumaon, nestled in Uttarakhand's mountains, is a cultural heaven with breathtaking landscapes. Its isolation has preserved unique traditions, where craftspeople have honed their skills over centuries. Each creation embodies resilience and creativity, maintaining authentic techniques. These crafts represent a living heritage, thriving amidst modernity, showcasing the region's artistic legacy. Footwear designs in Kumaon preserve centuries-old patterns, embodying cultural identity and historical narratives. Traditionally worn during weddings, festivals, and religious ceremonies, they symbolize auspiciousness and cultural pride. Intricate beadwork once indicated social standing, with more elaborate designs signifying higher status within communities. Artisans meticulously select premium materials, ensuring only the finest leather, fabric, and beads are used. Master craftspeople sketch traditional patterns, reflecting regional motifs. Beads are applied with precision, a skill honed over years. Each pair undergoes rigorous quality checks, ensuring durability and comfort, embodying the essence of Kumaoni craftsmanship. Geometric patterns like triangles and zigzags connect wearers to the Himalayan landscape, symbolizing mountains and rivers. Floral motifs depict local flowers, each with cultural significance. Cosmic symbols such as the sun, moon, and stars reflect Kumaoni's spiritual beliefs. Protective designs are believed to ward off evil, offering spiritual security. Tiny glass beads form vibrant patterns, each color holding cultural significance. Locally sourced leather provides a durable base, treated traditionally for comfort. Cotton and silk add flexibility, allowing breathability. Every stitch is hand-placed, showcasing skilled craftsmanship and preserving traditional techniques. Anatomical design ensures the footwear conforms to natural foot contours, enhancing comfort. Breathable materials like cotton and silk allow air circulation, keeping feet cool. The adaptable fit softens and molds to individual foot shapes, providing personalized comfort. Stylistic flexibility allows these pieces to complement both traditional and modern outfits, making them versatile for any occasion. Supporting traditional artisans is crucial for cultural preservation, ensuring ancient techniques endure. Economic empowerment is achieved by providing sustainable livelihoods for rural communities. Notably, women's advancement is significant, as female artisans make up 80% of craftspeople, highlighting their vital role in sustaining these traditions. Natural materials ensure biodegradability, minimizing environmental impact. Zero-waste production techniques utilize all scraps, leaving nothing discarded. Small batch production and local sourcing reduce carbon emissions, while durable construction guarantees longevity, offering sustainable fashion that lasts. Modern market appeal thrives on uniqueness, with each pair being one of a kind, offering exclusivity. Ethical appeal attracts conscious consumers valuing transparent production. Handcrafted quality elevates these to luxury items with authentic heritage. Fashion versatility ensures they blend seamlessly with contemporary styles, making a distinctive statement. Traditional jutas offer a classic slip-on style with a pointed toe, showcasing intricate beadwork. Beaded sandals provide an open design for summer, merging traditional beadwork with modern styling. Comfort moccasins feature a softer construction for everyday wear, blending traditional aesthetics with modern comfort. Over 300 artisan families are directly supported through traditional footwear production, with 85% being women artisans from the Kumon region. This initiative has led to a 40% increase in household income for these artisans. Currently, Kumaoni beaded footwear is exported to 12 global markets, showcasing its international appeal and economic impact. International buyers benefit from direct artisan connections, bypassing middlemen to ensure quality and authenticity. Offer genuine cultural products with verified provenance, standing out in saturated markets. Collaborate on exclusive designs for unique brand pieces. Share compelling narratives about product origins, enhancing customer connection through meaningful purchase experiences. Thank you. Explore the world of Kumaoni beaded footwear crafted by skilled artisans. Connect with us at Modinagar, Uttar Pradesh, or reach out via phone at +91 87-553-00795. For more information, visit our website indianbox.com or follow us on Instagram at indianbox. Our team is eager to assist in sourcing authentic products.